guys, welcome back to my channel and happy new week to you all. Thanks for joining me once again for a CVS deals video, and this is the second week of this ad cycle, which means that every deal you did last week you can do them again this week and get your extra care box as long as you have your coupon or if it works out for you. If you're just joining us for the first time, I would like to welcome you and thanks for being here. Don't forget to subscribe, like, comment and share, and let's go find some deals. The first deal I have is buy Russell Stover sugar-free products and you get $1 back, and the cheapest I can find is priced at $2.79. Pick up one, pay $2.79 and get $1 back, making it just $1.79. And this will make a very good filler item if you need it. Next deal, I shared it in my haul video last week in case you missed it. This will be a very good option for you if you used your $2 Crest digital coupon and also the Oral-B digital coupon. I will be combining two deals. First one is on 1 liter Scope mouthwash. They're on the deal of buy 2 get 5 back and they are priced at $6.29. Pick up 2. To complete this transaction, pick up 2 Crest toothpaste on sale for $3.99, and when you buy 2, you get $5 back. These 4 items will total $20.56. Use 5 off 3 coupon from Coupons 24 app, and the coupon will attach on the 2 Scope mouthwash and 1 Crest toothpaste. And on Coupons 24 app, there is another $2 coupon for the Crest toothpaste. The 2 coupons will take off $7 and drop it down to $13.56, and you will get back $5 for buying 2 Scope mouthwash and $5 back for buying 2 Crest toothpaste. That will end up making these 4 items just $3.56 or 89 cents each. If you have a newer account and you have a 5 off 20 Crest CRT, then you will pay $8.56, get $5 back for the Scope and $5 back for the Crest, making these 4 items free and $1.44 money maker. The next deal I have is on A&D ointment, and it's part of buy 1 get $5 back, and it's priced at $7.79. Pick up one, pay the $7.79 and get 5 back, making it just $2.79. And if you have percentage of CRT and you don't mind paying out of pocket, you can use it with this deal. My next deal is spend 20 get 10 back on Shea Moisture hair care. Pick up 2 Shea Moisture Stronghold Styling Gel priced at $11.49 each. Both will total $22.98. We have a 10 off 2 digital coupon that will drop it down to $12.98 and you get 10 back, making them just $2.98 or $1.49 each. The next hair care deal I have is spend 20 get $10 back on Nexxus shampoo, conditioner or stylers. Pick up 1 Nexxus blow dry cream priced at $20.29. Use the $4 digital coupon and you pay $16.29, get 10 back, making it just $6.29. My next deal is buy 2 get $4 back on the 20-ounce Caress body wash, 6-pack bar soap or St. Ives body wash. They are also on sale for buy 1 get 1 half off. I have 2 options for this deal, and the first option is to pick up 2 St. Ives body wash priced at $6.49, and with the buy 1 get 1 half off, the second one will be $3.25. These 2 will total $9.74. Pay the $9.74 and you get 4 back, making them $5.74 or $2.87 each. And the second option is to pick up 2 Caress body wash priced at $8.49, and with the buy 1 get 1 half off, the second one will be $4.25. These 2 will total $12.74. Pay that and get $4 back, making them $8.74 or $4.37 each. If you did not do this deal last week, the coupons are still valid, and that's on the Irish Spring and the Softsoap. They're on sale for buy 1 get 1 50% off, and when you buy 2, you get $2 back. Let's start with the Irish Spring. Pick up 2, they are priced at $7.49. And with the buy 1 get 1 half off, the second one will be $3.75. These 2 will total $11.24. Use the 4 off 2 digital coupon that applies to Irish Spring or Softsoap, so you pick which one you want to do. After the $4 come off, you will pay $7.24, get 2 back, making them $5.24 or $2.62 each. If you prefer Softsoap body wash, pick up 2. They are priced at $6.59, and with the buy 1 get 1 half off, the second one will be $3.30. These 2 will total $9.89. Use the 4 off 2 digital coupon and you pay $5.89, get 2 back, and that will make them $3.89 or $1.95 each. If anybody needs Dr. Bronner's bar soap, they're on the deal of buy 2 get $3 back, and they are priced at $5.79. Pick up 2 and they will total $11.58. Pay that and get 3 back, making them $8.58 or $4.29 each. My next deal is buy any gold bond powder 7 to 12.5 ounce and you get $2 back. Pick up 1 gold bond body powder, priced at $10.49. We have a $1.50 off digital coupon that will drop it down to $8.99 and you get 2 back, making it just $6.99. The next deal I have is spend 15 get 5 back on CVS Health Feminine Care. And most of the pads are priced at $5.29. Pick up 3 for a total of $15.87. If you have any CVS Feminine Care CRT, you can use it with this deal. I used to get some, but lately I've not been getting any. Without a CRT, pay $15.87 and get 5 back, making them $10.87 or $6.62 each. The next deal I have is spend 25 get $5 back on participating laundry or household products. And I have 4 easy options for this deal, but this deal is a limit of 1 per week. So if you're doing it, pick whichever one that works for you. The first option is to pick up 1 Gain Fling on sale for $12.99 and 1 240 count bounce dryer sheets on sale for $12.99. These two will total $25.98. There is a $3 gain coupon on Coupon24 app and a $2 bounce coupon on Coupon24 app. The 2 coupons will take off $5 and you pay $20.98, get 5 back, making them $15.98 or $7.99 each. You can swap the Gain Fling with the Tide detergent on sale for $12.99 and these two will total $25.98. For the Tide coupon, we have a $3 digital coupon, or you can use the $3 coupon in Coupon24 app and a $2 off bounce coupon in Coupon24 app. The 2 coupons will take off 5 and you pay $20.98, get 5 back, making them $15.98 or $7.99 each. If you don't want the bounce dryer sheets, you can do 1 Gain Fling and 1 Tide detergent on sale for $12.99 each, and both will total $25.98. Use a $3 off coupon for the Tide detergent. Either you use the one in the app or you use the one in Coupon24 app, and a $3 off gain coupon from Coupons24 app. The 2 coupons will take off $6 and you pay $19.98. Get 5 back, making them $14.98 or $7.49 each. And the last option I have is to pick up 2 count Febreze air freshener on sale for $5.99 each and 1 Gain Flings on sale for $12.99. These 3 items will total $24.97 and that's within the 98% rule for spend 25. Use a $3.30 off 2 Febreze product coupon from Coupon24 app and a $3 off gain coupon from Coupon24 app. Both coupons will take off $6.30 and you pay $18.67 and get 5 back, making them $13.67 or $4.56 each. The next deal I have is not giving back any extra care box, and that's on the 11 count Finish Powerball Ultimate tabs on sale for buy 1 get 1 free and it's priced at $9.99. Pick up 2. Check your app, we have a $2 coupon, and after the $2 coupon come off, you will pay $7.99 and that will make each pack just $4. And this concludes my video for today. Thank you all for watching. Thanks for all your support and I'll talk to you all next time. Bye.